Hello there, welcome back to this lesson, where we're going to explore the world of ChatGPT and understand why it's such a big deal. First, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot introduced in November 2022, and it was developed by OpenAI, an AI research lab that operates as both nonprofit group and for a profit company. The GPT in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, meaning it's a super smart language calculator that can understand and generate text based on what you say. Think of it as your friendly AI partner, ready to have a chat about anything you'd like. ChatGPT is based on large language models, also known as LLMs, particularly the GPT 3.5 model. These models have been trained on massive amount of text data, enabling them to comprehend and generate human-like responses. Imagine having a chat with a smart computer that understands and answers questions just like a person. For example, the original GPT 3.5 model that powers ChatGPT was trained on internet tags, including books, articles, website, and social media content. This training helps ChatGPT answers questions in a friendly and intelligent manner. But it's not just about conversations. ChatGPT can help you write emails, essays, and even computer code. Its impact has been massive. It reached 100 million users within 2 months of launch, faster than TikTok or Facebook. So, why ChatGPT is so significant? Well, it's a game changer with the potential for internet level disruption. Swiss bank UBS even called it the fastest growing app in history. OpenAI didn't stop there. They introduced ChatGPT 4, an even better version that can solve complex problems and generate creative content like songs and movies. In short, ChatGPT changes the game in language and content creation. Its ability to mimic human like responses and generate creative content is a big deal, making it an essential tool. Chatting might seem simple, but ChatGPT takes it to a whole new level. It's like having an all in one assistant that can make your life easier in so many ways. For simplifying your work tasks, to helping with studies, and even streamlining your daily routines.